Hello everyone. So in this particular session, we are going to see what are the various possibilities where we can run our Python programs. So we'll start with the Anaconda. Uh, what you have to do, just go to URL, open the browser, go to URL and type anaconda.com. So here you can see that there are different menus available on this. You have to visit products. You have to download the individual edition here. Just go to the individual edition and download accordingly. Whether you have a MacBook, you have Linux, you have Windows operating system, accordingly you just download this particular software. So I have already downloaded this, so I'm just going to visit the particular folder where I have kept different versions of the Anaconda downloaded software for the Windows. Okay, so I'm just going to run the latest version. So you have to double click on this particular software and you'll see this first window, that is welcome window of the Anaconda, that is showing you that it is a version 5 released in 2021, Anaconda 3. Just click on next, click on agree, so that you are agree with the, you are accepting the terms and conditions of the Anaconda license agreement. Okay. If you want to install this just for yourself, click on just me. So this particular application will be visible to your login only, and if there are multiple users on your particular system, you can use for all users. Okay, so I'm just selecting all users so that everyone, those who are able to access this system, they can access Anaconda. Okay, so this is the message, that is user account control. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? I just want to say yes. So this is kind of agreement between the account administrator and Anaconda. So you have to choose the path where you want to save this Anaconda. So I'm just selecting the default folder where this has to be stored. Make sure that your system or the location where you want to store must have at least 2.9 GB of the space. Okay, so here you can see the space required is 2.9 GB, and I have the sufficient space here to install this. So just click on next. Okay, this is also another important part. One is already ticked, that is register Anaconda 3 as a system Python 3.8. So the registration is mandatory part. If it is unticked, just check on this. Okay. The first part is optional, that if you have already run any kind of Python environment, so you need not to set the particular path. Okay. And if it is the first time that you are running your any kind of Python environment in your system, so you have to click yes. Okay. Otherwise, here you can see it is not recommended. Instead, the open Anaconda with the Windows Start menu. So I just suggest you that if you have already installed any kind of Python version, so you need not to select this. If you running this Anaconda first time on your system, or there is no any Python supporting library in your system, just take this. Okay, so click on install. So it will take a little time to install all the components in your system. Okay, now you can see that installation has been complete, and you have to click next here. Again, you have to click on next, that you can further include your PyCharm account into this particular software. So if you want to install, just click on this anaconda.com PyCharm. So PyCharm will also be included in this particular package. So if you want to download, just click on this particular link. So download now and have the base data tools with your fingertips. So PyCharm is also used for Python programming. So you can include that if you want. Currently, I'm not doing that. Okay. Again, the completing Anaconda 3, it is thanking you to have this particular software. Anaconda individual edition tutorial. If you want to see the tutorial, you can just take this. Getting started with Anaconda, I'm just going to start with the Anaconda here. This particular software has been installed in my system. I'm just going to run and show whether it is installed or not. So I'm just typing Anaconda, and here you can see the Anaconda prompt is available in my folder. So Anaconda Navigator is available, Anaconda Power Prompt, PowerShell prompt, Spider, Jupyter Notebook. So all these components are available. You can visit through the Start button also. Just click on Start, type whether a particular app is there or not. So you just type Anaconda. Okay. You can right click on any particular folder and you can see whether where is the file location. So you can see here that it is available in the programs Anaconda 3 containing all these components. Okay, so now you have two environment here, Jupyter Notebook and a Spider, where you can run your particular program. Okay,